Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Utility Corner. And in this video, we will learn how can we record a screen using VLC Media Player. So without any delay, let's start our video. So if you don't have VLC Media Player, you can download it from their website, videoland.org. Here, if you are using Windows version, you can download it from here. And if you are using Mac OS, you can download it from here. It is a free open source tool which you can download. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. So I will open my VLC Media Player. So as a first step, I will go into the media menu. From there, I will go into open capture device. A pop-up will open. There are multiple tabs and we are in capture device tab. Here you can see several options. From there, we have to select in the capture mode, we have to select the desktop. And here in the second option, desired frame rate for the capture. So here we will make it 60 frames per second. Then from below, there is a play button and it is actually a drop down. So we will click on the arrow and from there we will select the convert. When we will select convert, a new pop-up will open. It says source is screen and the profile is video. That like whatever we are capturing will be saved as a video. Here you have option of destination file. So there you can provide the path where you want to save your screen capture. So I will browse it. So I have already created a folder of VLC screen recording. I will go inside it and I will save my recording here only. If you want, you can rename it and then I will click on save. So it will give me the full path of my recorded video. Then I will click on start. After clicking the start button, the recording will start. As you can see, the time is now increasing. Here you can see, I will just scroll up and down. I will go into this website. I will go into the download section. Windows 64-bit, I will click on this. All this will be recorded. So once I am done with my recording, I will go back to the VLC Media Player. Here you can see a stop button. So I will click on this stop playback and it will stop the recording. Okay, so now let's see what we have recorded. This is our video which was saved in our desired folder, which is the VLC screen recording. Here VLC did not create this VLC recording. This I have already created. So you can save your video in any folder. So let's play our screen recording. Here you can see it has recorded everything, every page on which I have visited. So now using these steps, you can also record your screens. If you find the content useful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos.